Bonfire night 2011, November the 5th, Denton, Texas. This is the bonfire, obviously before it was lit. And there's Guy Fawkes on top, looking very unhappy at his prospects for the future. Not a happy camper right now. Saying his prayers. So it's a pretty big bonfire, lots of wood. It's going to make a big bonfire. It's going to give you the whole 360-degree view here. And we've even got some more wood over here to put on the bonfire later on. This is the spare wood, and the bonfire. The sun's about to go down. Dusk is about 7 o'clock tonight, and we'll be lighting the bonfire about 7:30. So everything's looking good.